Guys, I'm back. How is everyone? Sorry about the delays of my videos because I was testing. Yes, testing and trying the technique. I discussed on my few videos. This is regarding on the winning jackpot prize, the mega jackpot. Guys, I have a good news for you. From trying 100 times and testing and failure, finally I did it. I discovered the most powerful lottery technique to win and to minimize our losses and get the most of the consolation prizes. Plus, of course, the bonus, guys, if we win the jackpot. Guys, so let's proceed to what I have discovered. Look at my lottery ticket. I have just bet 3 combination and got multiple consolation prizes. How did I made it? The main technique I do, look at my lottery ticket, guys. How did I finally figure out to win more consolation prizes with just a small amount of bet of combination? Okay, the technique I am using is to skip betting. Yes, you heard it actually right. But how to execute that skip? Okay, number 1, if your number has been drawn, currently drawn, skip 9 to 10 draws. It will not come out on a 9 to 10 drawings. Now, maintain after 9 draws that it is not successfully been drawn, bet now and maintain your combination. What if another of your combination just come out? Replace one of the number of the combination. This is fully tested by me. As you can see, guys, look at carefully the actual result. 42, 25, 31, 16, 44, 9. Look at my actual ticket now. Yes, I'm very happy because I figured this out already now. Look at my ticket. 9, 16, 9, 16, 21, 25, 27, and 31. From one combination, I already get 4 numbers. I win a consolation prize on this. Of course, I win 1 consolation prize. The second combination, look at carefully, guys. Still the same number, set of numbers, but different first and last numbers. I mean, I just replace some numbers on the second combination. Okay, 16, 31, 9, 34, 21. 3 numbers I just replaced, and I already got, I also hit 3 numbers here. So there is also a consolation prize when I get 3. On my last combination, look at carefully, guys. Another set of winning. 31, 42, 9. 21, 55, and 29 are another set of numbers that I include on my full combinations. 3 combinations. It is only 3 combinations that I bet and wager. But as you can see on the 3 combination, it all hit the consolation prize. This is the main technique that I was referring. Guys, how I wager and bet. I will actually show you how I wager on my new method that, or my new technique that I discovered. Look at my first combination. Okay, 23, 35, 17, 18, 19, 21. On my second combination, I replaced 3 of my numbers. 22, 23, 19. On my third combination, I already replaced again my number, 29, 32, 31. As you can see, these 3 numbers are my power numbers. These 3. I just replaced the 4th, 5th, and 6th combination. Larger occupied numbers, but lesser my betting is. As you can see, this is very simple strategy, guys, but this is powerful because you have lesser bet but bigger number occupied and much higher percentage to hit the consolation prizes, and most of all, the main jackpot prize. Since we are aiming for the mega jackpot prize, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.